Hello everyone, and welcome back to Help Me GMP for your weekly dose of good manufacturing practice, advice, tips, and guidance. In this series, we will cover a crucial aspect of pharmaceutical manufacturing, the Quality Management System, or QMS. Today, we'll take a high-level look at what a QMS is and its key components. Let's dive in. A Quality Management System, or QMS, is a set of policies, processes, and procedures that ensure products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's essential in the pharmaceutical industry for ensuring product safety, quality, and efficacy. Let's explore the key components of a QMS. The Quality Manual outlines the QMS structure and roles within the organization. Standard Operating Procedures, or SOPs, are written instructions for consistent and accurate processes. Site Master File is an overarching document that details all activities in the manufacturing site. Validation Master Plan is a comprehensive document outlining the strategy, scope, and organization of validation activities to ensure all processes, systems, and equipment meet quality standards. Document Control is the systematic management of all QMS-related documents. Training and competence ensures employees have the necessary skills and knowledge. Change Control manage changes to processes, equipment, or systems to minimize risks. Internal audits are key to the constant evaluation of the QMS for compliance and improvement opportunities. Deviations are any departure from an approved procedure or expected outcome that can impact product quality, safety, or compliance. Corrective and preventive actions, or CAPA, address deviations and prevent recurrence. Quality Risk Assessment assesses and controls risks to product quality. Quality Control, or QC, test and inspect products to meet predefined quality criteria. And finally, Quality Assurance, or QA. This is the sum total of all the above arrangements which ensure products are consistently manufactured to the appropriate standard. A robust quality management system is essential for ensuring the safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceutical products. By understanding and implementing these key components, we can achieve excellence in manufacturing and protect patients. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to come back and learn more detail about each of the components I've mentioned that form part of the QMS. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be kept up to date with more great content. Until next time, stay dedicated to quality and keep learning.